everyone.
I'm Archana.
I'm Rohit
And welcome to our channel.
We are excited to share our travel experience with you all. In October 2024, we visited this beautiful country of Uzbekistan, and it was one of the most unforgettable experiences of our lives. We planned the entire itinerary ourselves, right from applying to the visa to booking the flights, accommodations, and even the local sightseeings. If you are also thinking of visiting this amazing country, then don't forget to watch our Uzbekistan series for some tips and inspiration.
So in this video, we will take you through the step-by-step process for applying for the Uzbekistan visa. It hardly takes about 15 minutes. It's super easy and will make it even easier for you with all the steps clearly mentioned in the video. To start with the visa process, before even you start with the application form, make sure you have this in place. Firstly, check for your passport expiry. Ensure that it is at least the validity is at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Second, keep your passport size photo with the background, a digital copy, and a copy of your passport page which has your photo ready. And also thirdly, Uzbekistan visa requirements are very, the photo dimensions are different from the standard passport size photo. So that you are able to resize your photo and the passport copy, and please download the passport photo ID app on your phone before you get started with the process, and we'll let you know in the video later on how to use it and how to get the photo ready for the visa. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Search for Uzbekistan e-visa on Google and click on this first link, which is the official website for Uzbekistan visa, evisa.government.uz. Avoid lookalike third-party websites. I'll leave this link on the description box below. Now you see two options here, application for e-visa and application status. Let's click on application for e-visa and then select the citizenship as India or whichever country you're from. I'm selecting India, and just see that whatever visa we get is for 30 days and processing time is 3 working days. Select your document type, mine is an ordinary passport, and then visa entry type and the purpose of visit. Now select your travel dates, make sure it is accurate, and whatever visa you get is from this application date, 30 days from this application date. Okay, and now you fill in the details as per your passport. Make sure that you do not make any mistakes here. Pay attention to avoid redoing the application form multiple times. Your date of birth, your place of birth, your passport details, and then address. I suggest you add your address on the passport, whatever address is mentioned in the passport here. Place of your work or study, your phone number, and the preliminary place of residence. I suggest you add the hotel name you're going to stay in Tashkent, pre-book it, which could be cancelable, and then recheck your details once again and then click next. Now let's go back to the passport photo ID app which we have downloaded on our phone. Once you open the app, click on new photo. Select the country here, which is Uzbekistan visa, and then upload the photo which you want to edit from the gallery. The app automatically resizes the photo as per the Uzbekistan visa requirements, and then you got to save this. Similarly, you also need to edit your passport page. Once you have edited both the pictures, come back to the visa application website, select the photo you have edited and the passport size passport photo, copy of the passport photo, and then click next. Now check in all the details once again for any mistakes. Once you verify all these details, add your email ID. Make sure you do not make any mistakes here, as you receive all the communication with respect to the visa on this email ID. Once you click submit, this is how it looks. You have received the activation link on your email. This is how the mail will look with the application code. click on the activation link and add in the email address, the application code and the image and continue. Now you have an option to make the payment. Make this payment like any other digital payments you make. Click on pay now. And you can see the total amount that will be deducted from your card, which is $21.5. Proceed to payment. Fill in all your payment details here as per what is on your card. I have put in only the dummy data here because this is for this video purpose. Once you filled in all the details, you would receive your OTP. Submit the OTP and your payment will be successful. Once your payment is successful, there are two things that happen. One is you get an email and also you get a receipt which looks something like this on the Visa application website. Once you have this, your payment is confirmed. Mail will look confirmation of payment, and Visa you will know the approval, the results of your application in 3 working days. So we had applied for it on August 20th, 2024 to travel sometime in September, late September. On August 22nd evening, we got a mail saying your visa is finished, and then to check or go to the following address. Once you click on this, you put in the application code which you had received in the first email and on the activation link email, and then put in the text in the image once again, and you will be able to download. You can see you'll be able to download your Uzbekistan visa, and this is how your visa will look. And I have just masked the details here for privacy reasons, and you're ready to go to Uzbekistan. So these are few tips and tricks which I want to share. Firstly, these are we faced this situation when we applied for our visa. My application got activated, but I had done some mistake in the form, so I had to redo the application. So there are 2 ways to redo the application. One, either wait for about 4 to 5 days until your account gets deactivated by default, or you have to use a different email ID and start a new application form. Second, there are chances that sometimes the payment might not go through. You would have got your account activation link and the payment is failed for some reason. So you'll have to drop an email to the email ID. I'll mention it somewhere on the screen here, and then they will help you with the link to make the payment. But all in all, once you have submitted the application form and everything is in place and you have made the payment, it will take exactly about 3 to 4 working days to get your visa in your inbox, and you're ready to fly to Uzbekistan.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.